5 amazing online earning apps. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards app that gives you points for doing things like shopping online, watching videos, and taking surveys. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash. 2. InboxDollars. InboxDollars is another rewards app that gives you points for similar activities. You can also earn points by reading emails and playing games. 3. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an app that connects people with tasks that need to be done, such as cleaning, running errands, and assembling furniture. You can set your own rates and choose the tasks that you want to do. 4. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace where you can find work on projects ranging from writing and editing to web development and graphic design. You can set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. 5. Fiverr. Fiverr is another freelance marketplace where you can find work on smaller projects, such as writing product descriptions, creating social media graphics, and recording voice messages. Thanks for watching my video and like it. Kindly subscribe my channel if you want more videos like this.